So we got some leaks of the Z Fold 7. Yes, it's the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Guys, I'm not kidding when I say that. It's literally the same exact phone. Beside the point, I will cover these leaks because they are interesting. First off, yes, it's going to get the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, watered down version, not a really good version of it. The reason why they're doing this is it's a lot easier for them to manufacture many different units with the watered down version. It's just one processing unit, or one processing system of it is gone. That's pretty much all it is. They're getting rid of one, watering it down. It's not going to be as powerful as what we see in the Oppo Find N2, or Find N5, excuse me. But the camera system did go ahead and leak. And that is, the main camera system is 200 megapixels camera, ultra wide camera 12 megapixel, and a telephoto of 10. Now, there is also a leak that says the inside under display camera will also be improved as well. We don't know exactly how much it will be, but coming from a 4 megapixel camera over the last set amount of years since the Fold series has started, anything above 4 would be nice. Okay, that's what I'll say. We will also get a 10 megapixel front facing camera. This is the cover screen, which obviously is the outside display, will be a 10 megapixel camera. Again, like I said, anything above 4 would also be nice. At this moment in time, though, it might also just be 4 again, which I get it. It's under the display camera. It's hard for them to upgrade that and make it really that great, especially with their foldable phone technology, the screen technology. But I don't know how many people actually take photos using the inside display rather than just using the real camera or using the front cover screen camera. I think a lot of people probably just use those cameras. So we're still not seeing the best of the best put into the Z Fold series camera wise, but it's really good. It's very similar, if not the same, as the S25 when it comes to the 200 megapixel camera, same sensor. So that's a W, but everything else is it's the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, but with a little bit of differences. Tiny teensy weensy bit of differences. Shout out to Samsung. Anyway, if you are new, do not buy the Z Fold 7. Wait for the Z Fold 8. That's going to be the real upgrade. That's going to be the true upgrade. That's going to be the upgrade you're going to want to get. Z Fold 7 is not the upgrade you want to get, guys. Z Fold 8 is the upgrade.